Alright guys, so we already have the sliding gate. Welcome to part 3. We already have the sliding gate, we got the tools, we got the new generator. We're gonna get ready to head out to the customer's house. Here I am with Louis. Say what's up, Louis.
What's going on?
And Louis is gonna help me today. So let's roll. Alright guys, so we have arrived. Look at that gate, beautiful. So this is where it's gonna go. They're gonna cut these off a little bit, the walls. Louis here is gonna help me take off the current fences that it has, the existing fences, chain link fences. So we're gonna start by connecting everything, setting up everything, and yeah, man. All right, so Louis already took out the doors. We're gonna turn on the generator and we're gonna cut these posts so we can start installing the sliding gate.
Show them how to turn on the generator.
Shit, I don't even know how to turn it on. How do I turn it on? Let me see.
Alright.
It's first time. 0 hours, you guys. Predator. Straight out of
Start.
Harbor Freight, whatever.
And then right here's the start button.
Gee, look at that. 0 hours. Well, then it went to, how do you check the hours?
Overall load, output. No, there's no hours. It's just output. Let's put it 124 volts out.
Oh, you don't show the hours?
No.
All right. That's how you take it off, you guys. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna be using these 2x2s that we got there. They're a little rusty, but it's nothing big, you know, a little rusty here and there. We're gonna sand them down obviously, and we're gonna be doing that. That is for the wheels to grab the sliding gate. I don't know if they're gonna extend this a little bigger or what, but the guy asked for the gate to be 6 feet. And yeah, so pretty much this is what we're gonna do. These wheels, we're gonna weld them onto these posts, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here, I'm just basically grabbing the L brackets. I'm using some L brackets. I'm gonna tack them into the post. Louis, he's holding it for me. He's just making sure that the post is nice and leveled, so therefore I know where the brackets are gonna go, and I'm just tacking them. I'm using 2x2 post, 14 gauge thickness. It's not too thick, not too thin, just what the customer wanted. It's nice and sturdy. It's gonna be nice and sturdy at the end of the day. Alright guys, so we're welding with the 6013 rod. Pretty good rod to weld this steel. So far the generator's picking up so good. So far so good. drilling time, baby. That's what we're doing. We're just making holes, putting the red heads, and using the impact to tighten up the bolts. Alright guys, I hope you guys like my videos. You know, I noticed that on YouTube there's not a lot of people that put videos out there on how to install gates. You know, this is one of those videos. I hope you guys are liking this video. You know, I'm doing it for you guys to learn and for you guys to be entertained. You know, pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is the post for the wheels. As you can see, we welded on some L brackets to keep it away from the brick wall, because if so we will have to cut this, and well, I don't know if they will like that, so that's how I did it. Other people bring this post already made, but this is how we do it. I mean, me and Louis, shit, why not? It works, same shit, you know. And well, shit, it keeps us entertained, and well, for something for you guys to watch. So what we're doing now, we're basically just welding the wheel onto the post. We want to make sure that it's nice and welded so it won't go anywhere. You know, as we were doing this job, it was a very hot day. We were located in West Covina. The job site was located in West Covina. I'm pretty sure for those people who live out here, they know California got a very good weather. I mean, just look at the sky. It looks very beautiful, you know. But yeah guys, you know, we're out here in California just putting in work, getting these gates installed. We fabricate them, paint them, and install Alright guys, so this is the gate. It's already installed pretty much. All we have to do now is put on the receiving post that's going to be over there where Louis is at. We're going to be using the pole that's on the ground, and pretty much what we already did the post for the sliding gate for the wheels so it could hold it. We used some red heads. These are called red heads. They're 3/8. It's for the concrete. And after the receiving post, we're gonna be putting on the brackets on the angle iron, and we'll go from there.
That's the receiving post. Put another extension on it. Put a bracket and mount it to the wall. There you go.
Right here. It's rusted, but now we're gonna take it off. Alright guys, so what do you guys think? Looks nice. This is the receiving post. This is how we had to do it, because they do have a dog. It'll move, pretty sturdy. What Louis doing, he's putting brackets with redheads next to the angle iron so I could weld them and so we could do the holes. But yeah guys, this is pretty much it. After doing this, we're gonna just paint the post that we set in and call it a day. You know, make sure everything's nice and painted, touch it up, and yeah, go home, get paid. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done. All we're doing now is just retouching up everything. So we anchored down the angle iron with the redheads. We put a stopper on the angle iron, that little piece of metal, so the wheel could stop and the gate won't fall and hurt somebody. But yeah man, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell button for upcoming videos. And until next time man.